Hey everyone, in this short presentation, we'll be looking at Bloom syndrome. Let's get started. Bloom syndrome is caused by mutations in the BLM gene. It's a rare disorder with 281 cases reported. The main symptoms are short stature, skin rash that develops after exposure to the sun, mainly over the nose and cheeks, infertility in men and severely impaired fertility in women, and lastly, immunodeficiency. These patients have greatly increased risk of cancer and infections. Individuals with Bloom syndrome have a high-pitched voice, distinctive facial features including a long, narrow face, a small lower jaw, and prominent nose and ears. Unfortunately, it has no specific treatment. Avoiding sun exposure and using sunscreens can help prevent some of the cutaneous changes associated with photosensitivity, and efforts to minimize exposure to other known environmental mutations are also advisable. So that was it. If you liked it, please push that like button, subscribe to my channel. See you later on.